trading.
By the way, as we speak, Ashish Bhai, the market is opening. So I think, Nigel, you want to just address the market open?
Yeah, sure. Let's get the market rates up for our viewers on the screen. We have the markets that have opened up in the green. That's something we haven't seen for a while. And a lot of stocks are moving around. So you have the Nifty bank actually that's pulling back a goodish bit. That's pretty good news. And a few other names. Mahindra & Mahindra is higher. Eicher Motors. Sudarshan called it earlier today. He said the margin disappoint is something that the street, may not like, but they could buy the dip. And that dip has quickly got bought into. As we speak, Eicher Motors is one of the top gainers in trade. And just to give you a note from a brokerage, they say that that competition that came about for the Royal Enfield, well, that's quickly been done away with because you have, Royal Enfield, that's one of the top gainers in today's trading session. Pull up Nalco. That stock as well has opened up, gap up. So good move is what we're seeing on Nalco. The last quarter's numbers were good. And the way ahead as well looks pretty bright. Thermax, the initial tick was in the green, so good going on that one. You have Happiest Minds as well that opened up a little bit in the green. Let's pull that one up for you. They're pretty much on course to do what they have set out to do. Adani, the revenues are up by 15%. The stock is down 45% from the top. So that stock as well opens up. RCF, the EBITDA number has jumped up by close to 91%. So that stock as well, good move is what we're seeing out there. PNB Housing Finance, post that large trade that took place. The stock should be on your radar, so keep an eye out on that. PI Industries, muted growth led by the pharma segment. FY revenue growth as well, the estimate has been lowered out there. So PI Industries comes up for you on the screen. Deepak Nitrite as well, the advanced intermediaries, that's what's dragged the earnings. The margins have fallen by 230 basis points. So we should get both those two stocks up for you on the screen. It's good to see the markets are still holding with a tinge of green in today's trading session. But as we've been saying over the last few days, it's not really where we start, but where we end. So let's see whether or not we see some kind of a relief rally out here. Eicher Motors, the stock of the morning, the Royal Enfield, is thumping ahead.